Hey there, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to log into Dayforce employee account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. In order to log into your Dayforce employee account, you first need company ID. Your company ID is unique to your workplace. It may have been given to you in a first-time access email. If not, then you should inquire with your HR administrator. You can get access to your Dayforce employee account in a web-based application that can be accessed on your home or work on a computer by accessing the Dayforce website. You can also download the Dayforce app for Apple or Android devices. So, in order to log into your Dayforce employee account, you first need to go to your web browser and type Dayforce employee login in the search bar and hit enter. Now click on Dayforce SSO login website. Now enter your company ID and click on login. So, guys, this is how you log into your Dayforce employee account. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.